Welcome, my friend. Sit with me for a moment. Let us breathe in this quiet stillness. In our busy lives, it's easy to let the days slip through our fingers, like sand in an hourglass. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, where is my time going? What am I truly feeling? What am I learning from each day? Today, I want to share a practice that has transformed not just my life, but the lives of many I've guided, the art of journaling. When I was younger, I struggled with a restless mind. My thoughts were like a storm, swirling and unending. But one evening, a wise teacher handed me a blank notebook and said, "Capture your storm. Make it still by giving it a place to rest." That night, I began to write. Not for anyone else, not even for my future self, but for the moment. And in those moments of writing, I found clarity, peace, and strength. Let me tell you why journaling is so powerful. It's not just a diary, it's a mirror. Each word you write reflects your thoughts, your emotions, your deepest truths. First, it helps you understand yourself. When you write without judgment, you uncover patterns, things that make you happy, things that hold you back. Over time, you begin to see your habits and learn what to nurture and what to let go. Second, journaling allows you to release what weighs on your heart. Sometimes, our minds are cluttered with worries and regrets. By writing them down, you transfer that weight from your heart to the page. As the ink flows, so does your freedom. Third, it's a tool for growth. When you revisit your journal, you'll see how far you've come. Those challenges you thought were insurmountable, they'll become evidence of your resilience. Do not fear the blank page, my friend. Start simple. Ask yourself 3 questions at the end of each day. What brought me joy today? What challenged me? What lesson did I learn? These questions are like seeds. Each one you plant will grow into wisdom, clarity, and gratitude. Let me share a story. One of my students came to me, overwhelmed with regret about a decision he made years ago. I asked him to write a letter, not to anyone else, but to himself. In that letter, he forgave himself, thanked himself for the lessons he'd learned, and promised to move forward. As he read it aloud, tears fell, but so did the chains of his regret. You see, my friend, the power of reflection lies not in changing the past, but in transforming how we carry it. So today, I invite you to pick up a pen. Write your joys, your fears, your dreams. Let your journal be a sanctuary, a place where you can meet yourself without judgment. And remember, it is not about writing perfectly. It is about writing truthfully. If this resonates with you, share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell me, what will you write about today? Subscribe for more inspirational videos like this.